All right, we've been talking about the great mortgage reset that we're predicting next year and trying to get you prepared for it, right? Your 2026 playbook. All right, 2 points we want to wrap up with. Dwight, let's go to number 5. Okay, the buyer's advantage before the crowd arrives. What do you mean by that one?
Well, you want to be first in line if you can. And John, we were talking off air. If you're actually really going to buy a house next year sometime, why not get in the system right now? It doesn't cost you anything to get pre-approved. Credit report's good for now. I will tell you right now, what I do is if you don't have a property secured yet or looking at, I'll run a soft credit pull. So it doesn't affect your credit report. At some point in time, we can get a long ways down the line on the soft credit pulls. So, but go ahead and get in the system, get a loan number, and just.
Okay, so let's quickly walk through this. So they're like, okay, I know I'm going to buy a house next year. There's going to be a mad rush. I want to get this done. They call you up. You again, two and two, get all the documents. You get them pre-approved.
Right.
That's good for 120 days, right?
Well, the credit report's good for 120 days. We'd have to run new credit and an updated bank statement, pay stub. It doesn't take anything. Right.
Yeah.
Right.
But now they know what they can go shopping for
absolutely.
come, January 1 when, especially if this crazy weather remains warm.
Right.
My goodness, we may not even have a winter doldrum. It just may go right into spring. I don't know.
Well, I didn't even think about that until we were talking about off air, John. I mean, get in front of the refi train. Right, the refinance train is going to mow you over.
So tell the audience why, though. Yeah, I mean, you're in the trenches. Why do you say that? What do they mean?
Well, because what's going to happen is we're already understaffed, right? So if we get a significant move, and you get these 6.5%, 7% plus people off the fence going even into a 15-year, it's good. There's going to be a lot of applications. We're going to have to train new people, just like people saw in 2020, 2021, right? We're going to have to bring people up, and a lot of these people aren't going to want to get back in this business, John. So you're going to have to be patient. But if you're ahead of the curve, if you're being in front of it, even if you're thinking about refinancing, get an application in. Doesn't cost you anything,
right?
And you're already in the system. And all we got to do is a minor update, order the appraisal, and you can close soon.
And again, Dwight, let's just hypothetically, let's say you quoted a mortgage today at 6.32. And again, 4 months or so go by, they finally found their dream home come, March, April, they call you up, you run the credit again, you get a new credit stub. And at that point, according to our predictions, rates should be lower then, and they can get that better rate, correct?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Everything works in their favor. And all they're doing is getting in front of the crowd, right?
Yep.
Just get in front of the crowd.